Hi everybody and welcome to another 5-minute Friday tutorial. Watch this video if you are looking to organize your calendars, organize all those appointments that you have in your business. I'm going to walk you on a step-by-step process on how you can have multiple calendars in this one easy to use platform. So the platform here is Progreda, and I will be sharing my screen as we go through this tutorial on how you can actually create multiple calendars that will be very helpful when it comes to organizing your meetings. You can have different calendars connected. Now, when you log into Progreda, most likely you're going to fall in your dashboard, which is going to be this tab right here. And what we want to click on is this one right here, calendars. Now you want to go into calendar settings. And this is the place where you will mostly be working out of. As you can see, this is an example of the multiple different calendars that I have. You can control or set it up where you can decide if it's a 30-minute call or a 45-minute call, and you can label it, and you can even customize it. How many of these types of appointments can you have? Now, what is the value of this? Why would you want to have this? Well, number one, if you're a business owner, if you're a consultant, if you have any type of business role or profession in which you're meeting with clients and they need to get on your calendar, if you're going through that pain point of they're trying to text you, hey, what time are you available? You're going back and forth in emails, or if you're using something similar called Calendly, Progreda can actually replace it, and now you can keep everything all in one place, and it actually is also a CRM software. So not only are they scheduling the call, but it will be connected with the customer's journey. So in this example, we'll be doing a quick calendar. These are all examples of mine. So there's a marketing strategy calendar. It can last for 45 minutes. And then I have a calendar if someone wants to meet with me about investment properties. That's only a 30-minute. I also have a calendar specifically for phone calls. The difference between this and this and this is that this is on Zoom, and this is on the phone. Because when they book the call, when someone has my links, they have all my availability, and they will be able to see if it's a Zoom call or a phone call. So let's go ahead and create a calendar. So you want to click on the top right, and I want to do a one-on-one meetings with a specific team member. In this scenario, it's me, but you have multiple options, especially if you have a marketing team, a sales team, or class type of calendars. In my scenario, I mainly use the personal booking. And I want to call this a business consulting one-on-one. And it's going to be for me. If there was someone else I needed to add, I could do that here. But in this scenario, it's going to be me. You can get fancy with the URLs. I'm just going to put it as consulting. I'm just going to make it up. It said that there is one already here. And then I actually want this to be a 60 minutes because it's a whole consulting call. So it's going to be more. I'm not available on Mondays in this example. Now, usually am, of course, but I would like to be available from 9 a.m. only until about 5 p.m. And that can go actually all the way through Saturday. So I can do Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Of course, you can add or remove as you see fit. And now I'm going to confirm. And here's the link. So now I copy this, and that means that this is the link that people can use to book my calendar. So what does it look like? This is what it looks like right here. If I needed someone, a customer, a potential lead, someone on social media is reaching out, I will be able to send them this link, and now they can actually see what's available. Now on the back end, this is connected to my Lory at Audate. So if we actually look at connections, this is the calendar it's checking for availability. So my Lory at teamaudate.com, it has my travel, it has my personal appointments in there, it has my team meetings, it has other outside meetings. This is my real estate calendar. So if there are real estate open houses, real estate meetings, then the way that this is actually set up, when someone has this link, the system is checking both of those calendars to determine if I'm available. So I no longer have to be really talking to someone back and forth about, hey, are you available or not? Or can you meet this day or at this time? So I hope this helps you in being able to create a calendar. Let us know in the comments what type of calendar you created and how this has been helping you in your business.